Workiz is built for fast-moving service businesses, and garage door companies fit that model almost exactly. Same-day calls, emergency repairs, and quick installs depend on fast scheduling and clean dispatching. By the end of this, you'll know if Workiz is a good fit for your garage door business, or if another system would handle your workflow better. Here's the direct answer. If your company focuses on repairs, spring replacements, opener installs, and residential service calls, Workiz is a strong option. If you're running larger commercial door projects or heavy inventory operations, it may feel limited. Start with scheduling. Garage door work is often urgent. Broken springs, off-track doors, and failed openers usually need quick turnaround. Workiz keeps booking simple. Office staff can schedule jobs, assign techs, and update customers from one dashboard. That keeps the day organized. Dispatching is one of its strongest features. If a technician finishes early or a same-day emergency comes in, jobs can be reassigned fast. That helps fit in more calls. For garage door companies, that directly affects revenue. The mobile app works well in the field. A tech can pull up customer history, add job notes, upload photos, and create invoices right after the repair. That keeps paperwork moving. Payment collection is easier too. That speeds up cash flow. Customer communication is another big advantage. Workiz sends appointment reminders and technician arrival updates automatically. That cuts down missed appointments. For homeowners waiting on a garage repair, that makes a difference. Call tracking is useful too. A lot of garage door businesses depend on Google Ads, local SEO, and call-based leads. Workiz helps track those calls, so you can see what marketing is actually bringing jobs. That's valuable for growth. Now the weak spots. Inventory management is lighter. Garage door companies often stock springs, rollers, cables, openers, sensors, and panels. Workiz can handle basic parts, but deeper warehouse or truck stock control is limited. That gets harder as you scale. Commercial jobs can also push the limits. Longer installs, phased work, and subcontractor coordination need stronger project tools. That's not Workiz's main strength. So is it worth it? If you run a small to mid-sized garage door company focused on service and installs, Workiz fits well because it keeps scheduling, dispatching, and customer communication tight. If your business is inventory heavy or commercial focused, you may outgrow it. The 3 things to remember are simple. Workiz is fast, service-focused, and built for call volume. The next step is to check whether your biggest issue is booking speed, dispatch efficiency, or inventory control. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.